Your PC is losing performance, but the problem might not be your GPU. It could be your CPU, your RAM, your storage, or something most gamers never check. You get low FPS, games start stuttering, and immediately you blame the graphics card. But what if the real problem is hiding somewhere else? That's called a bottleneck. It's basically one PC part saying, "Wait for me, I'm too slow." One component can't keep up, and the rest of your PC has to wait. The most common bottleneck? The CPU. Your graphics card is ready to run, but your CPU can't feed it data fast enough. Result? Lower FPS, stutters, worse 1% lows. Your GPU is standing there like, "Bro, I'm waiting." Now the opposite, a GPU bottleneck. This happens when your graphics card is working at 100% and your CPU is waiting. And here's the funny part, this is actually normal in gaming. In many cases, it's exactly what you want. Next, RAM. Your PC isn't slow, it's running out of memory. Games start stuttering, loading gets slower, background apps start struggling. Chrome opens 15 tabs, and suddenly your PC starts negotiating with reality. This one is becoming very common, VRAM. When your GPU runs out of video memory, textures stop loading properly, you get stutters, texture pop-in, and unstable FPS. Your game wants more memory, but your GPU says, "Best I can do is 8 GB. People underestimate storage. Modern games constantly load assets, so if your driver's too slow, textures may load late. Loading screens take longer, open worlds can feel sluggish. Your game is loading faster than your drive can deliver data. Sometimes, your PC isn't weak, it's hot. When temperatures get too high, performance drops automatically. This is called thermal throttling. Your PC isn't dying, it's overheating. And sometimes, the problem isn't performance, it's power. A weak power supply can stop components from reaching their full potential. It's not common, but it can happen. And here's one people rarely think about, your monitor. Your PC might be generating 300 FPS, but a 60Hz monitor only shows 60. Congratulations, your monitor just ignored 240 frames per second. So next time a game runs badly, don't blame the GPU first. The real bottleneck might be hiding somewhere else. And remember, every PC has a bottleneck. The goal isn't removing bottlenecks, it's balancing them. Which bottleneck are you dealing with right now? Let me know in the comments.